First of all, we peel the lulo with a knife. Before this process, the lulo weighs 613 grams. Then we put it in the mixer with 600 milliliters of water. When everything is well mixed, strain the juice very well in a jar. Finally, we put in a bowl the waste that are the peel and the seeds, which weighs 206 grams. So we obtain 1 liter and 6 grams of lulo juice.
First, we take a pineapple of 865 grams. Remove the crown and cut the base. In order to begin to remove the side shell, these three parts constitute 252.5 grams of waste. Later, we make thick cuts around the heart of the pineapple, which weighs 96 grams and is a waste like the crown and the peel. Then, we cut each section into large pieces that we will put inside the blender glass, where we add 600 milliliters of water and 27 grams of sugar. We blend until we obtain an homogeneous liquid.
Okay, we made two charts to identify the ingredients, the total waste, the waste in terms of money, and the real cost of to make 1 liter of juice, in this case, lulo juice and pineapple juice. So to start, we have to take into account two aspects. The first aspect is the material plus waste, that in this case are going to be the real material that we bought, and the waste that is determined and strain the waste lead that lead in the strain. So to find this is just to assume these two aspects. In the case of the pineapple, we add one more, that is the heart, but it's the same methodology. It's just same the three wastes. So taking this into account, we can find the real values to make 1 lulo juice. So it's just to take the material plus waste minus the waste, and is just make the operation, and we have the grams and milliliters. We don't take into account the waste of sugar and water, because the water is totally strained and the sugar is totally solved in the water. Why we can say that? Because the dump that you can see in the fruit and the moment to strain is just the internal and legal water that the fruits contains. To identify the percentage of waste is just to take into account that 100% is the material plus waste divided in the waste. And for the in terms of money of waste is multiply the total waste plus the unitary cost. So for the two questions that you have, is about is the more which is the fruit that give us the biggest waste, that is pineapple, as you can see, with 405, and this represents 721. And the second question is which is the use more rentable in terms of waste. Is the same pineapple use with the 721 pesos, differently to the lulo juice with 1,130 pesos.